Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have with us one of the most difficult Olympiad math problem. We're given that a plus b is equal to 2 and a times b is equal to 2. So here we're asked to evaluate a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5. If you check my previous video, you will see how I was able to derive this amazing formula for a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5. But how come this formula when we have a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 to evaluate? Well, let us find a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5. At the end of the video, you will see the reason why this will help us to solve for a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5. Okay, so let's get started. Now our target now is to find the value for a squared plus b squared and a cubed plus b cubed. But unfortunately, a squared plus b squared is equal to 0. I will show you guys. So which actually means that 0 times whatever the value of this still remains 0. So no need for finding the value for a cubed plus b cubed. Isn't that amazing? So let's go ahead and find the value for a squared plus b squared, or prove that it is equal to 0. So a squared plus b squared is equal to, we know, a plus b squared, then minus 2 times a times b. So this will be equal to a plus b is 2, right? So we get 2 squared minus 2 times a times b is also 2. So we can see we have 2 squared is 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4. So from here we can see that this is equal to 0, right? So now let's go back. We have a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 is equal to, so here we have 0 times a cubed plus b cubed, right? So 0 times a cubed plus b cubed, then minus into bracket a times b is 2, right? So we substitute 2 squared, then times a plus b is 2 as well, so we have 2. So from here we have a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 is equal to 0 times this is 0 minus 2 squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So which we have negative 8. Wow, interesting. So we can see that we have the value for a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5, which is equal to negative 8. So now, how can we solve for a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5? Well, we're going to do that, but we need to recall a very powerful algebraic identity. We have that a plus b, should we use a? Let's use x and y. So we have that x plus y squared is equal to x minus y squared plus 4xy. We need to master all these identities because they are really very helpful, right? So now, let us apply this formula here. So remember, we're going to square both sides. So we have here a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 squared. So this will be equal to negative 8 squared. So using this identity here, so we're going to write. So this will become a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5. That is taking a to the power of 5 as x and taking b to the power of 5 as y. So you will see we have this to be a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 squared, then plus 4 times a to the power of 5, right, times b to the power of 5. Then this is equal to negative 8 squared is 64, right? Okay, so from here, we have a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 squared plus, so here 4 times, so this we can write as a times b all to the power of 5. Since they have the same power, then this is equal to 64. Do not forget, 8 times b is equal to 2. So we're going to substitute that. So get a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 squared plus 4 multiplied by, this is equal to 2, right? So 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Then this is equal to 64. So from here, we have a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 all squared plus, this times this will give us 128. So this is equal to 64. Subtract 128 from both sides, so we get a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 squared. This is equal to negative 64. Now we can take the square root of both sides, so we get a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5 is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 64, which is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 1 is iota, and square root of 64 is 8. So here we have our solution. Remember, the original problem is a plus b is equal to 2, and we also have that a times b is equal to 2. And therefore, we have our solution for a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5, which is equal to plus or minus 8i. So our solution is imaginary. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.